Barok menta kasyong saha ka Ministry of Coal jong ka Sorkar Pdeng na kabenta ka jing menjur bakhadu man Sdang Biang ya ka kamti Dewïong hapo ka jela kat kum kijuk start sayen. Myntri Rangbah ka jela u Konrad ke sangma habakren halor ka ni ka benta ula ong ba ya ki jing pensngo pajba la penlong hakini ki kendiat benai baladep halai teli ki jaka kum shi benta jong ka kam ban Sdang Biang ya ka kamti Dewïong kat kum kijuk start sayen. Usang ma ula ong ru bahadian kini kijing pensengau pajba ya kijing lum thup jong kikot kisla lakmi bnya da katanat klau bat ka pollution control board menta kini kilapoi syaka Ministry of Coal New Delhi na ka benta kijing aijing bed bakhado.
So the public hearing for the scientific coal mining in 3 locations took place about 2 months back. And after that, again the file has gone back to the forest and the pollution board, and necessary clearances have been given now from the environment department, forest and environment department and pollution board, and now the files have reached Delhi. The coal ministry in Delhi is now going to give the final, after seeing all the approvals that have been given by the different departments of the central government, the different departments of the state government, now the final approval and the stamp is given by the coal ministry.
Ka Sorkar jela ka khot